Hello everyone! Welcome back to Garden Decor Designs, the channel dedicated to making your outdoor space a masterpiece. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. If you've been dreaming of transforming a patch of your backyard into a cozy, functional, and visually stunning retreat, you are in the right place. Today we're diving deep into the world of the backyard fire pit garden, sharing 10 of the most inspiring designs you absolutely need to see. Get ready to turn that outdoor space from just a lawn into your favorite room in the house. So, what exactly is a backyard fire pit garden? It's more than just plopping a fire bowl onto the grass. It's the thoughtful integration of a fire feature, be it a built-in stone ring or a sleek gas bowl, with intentional landscaping and seating. This design approach creates a cohesive, welcoming destination within your yard, distinct from your main patio or deck. It usually involves a dedicated non-flammable base, comfortable seating, and a carefully curated planting scheme that frames the space, offering privacy, texture, and fragrance, all centered around the warmth of the fire. It's an outdoor room designed for relaxation and gathering. The benefits of installing a fire pit garden are numerous, touching on everything from mental well-being to property value. First, and most obviously, a fire pit garden extends your outdoor season. Suddenly, crisp autumn evenings and early spring nights become the perfect time to gather outside. Socially, it creates a powerful focal point. Fire naturally draws people in, encouraging intimate conversation and memorable family time, perfect for roasting marshmallows or sipping a glass of wine. Furthermore, from a design perspective, a well-executed fire pit area breaks up large lawn expanses, adds architectural interest to your landscape, and provides crucial, usable lighting in the evening, which, by the way, significantly increases your home's perceived value and curb appeal. Decorating your fire pit garden is all about layering textures and light. Start with the seating. Comfort is key. Whether you choose classic Adirondack chairs, rustic benches, or modern outdoor sectionals, make sure you add cushions and throws for warmth and a pop of color. Next, consider lighting beyond the fire itself. String lights, often called bistro or cafe lights, hung overhead create a magical ceiling effect. Complement this with path lights or spotlights to highlight surrounding trees or architectural elements. Planting is crucial. Frame the area with lush, layered greenery. Use low-growing, scented herbs like lavender or mint near the seating to release fragrance as you brush past, and taller shrubs for privacy. Finally, ensure your ground cover is appealing. Whether it's flagstone, decorative gravel, or patterned pavers, the floor sets the stage. Add side tables or a decorative bar cart nearby for essential storage and serving space, tying the entire look together beautifully. When choosing materials, focus on durability, heat resistance, and style. Here are some of the best. First, natural stone or flagstone offers a rugged, organic look, great for rustic or naturalistic designs. Second, concrete pavers or brick, excellent for defined geometric patios. They are cost-effective and available in many colors and patterns. Third, gravel or crushed stone, an affordable and easy-to-install base material that provides excellent drainage. Choose a non-dusty option like pea gravel or river rock. Fourth, corten steel or weathering steel, used for modern, low-profile fire bowls. It develops a beautiful, stable, rust-like patina over time. Fifth, concrete like poured or precast, perfect for modern, sleek fire tables or bowls. It's durable and customizable. Now let's dive into some practical and inspiring garden design ideas that you can implement in your own space. Here these the collection of the top 10 best backyard fire pit garden ideas to spark your creativity. 1. Segmented circular fire pit with raised stone perimeter. This view showcases a highly structured and symmetrical approach. The fire pit and seating are centered on a circular gravel base. The area is bordered by a beautiful low-raised wall of paving stones, creating a strong visual perimeter. Inside this circle, the landscaping is neatly divided into wedge-shaped beds bursting with colorful flowers, creating a visually vibrant, yet highly organized outdoor room. 2. Woodland retreat paver fire pit oasis. This design masterfully blends manicured elements with a wild, natural backdrop. The circular paver patio creates a defined, formal space for the fire and the classic Adirondack seating, offering a clean, sturdy base. What elevates this is the surrounding landscaping. Large, natural boulders, deep brown mulch beds, and the stunning contrast provided by the powder blue spruce trees. It feels tucked away, private, and seamlessly integrated into the towering woods beyond. 3. Romantic evening ambience with string lights and fire pit. This image proves that sometimes the lighting is the main event. A neatly laid brick paver patio provides the base for a stacked stone fire pit. The atmosphere is elevated immensely by the canopy of bistro string lights, hung from rustic wooden posts set in simple concrete bases. Dark chairs and a dedicated bar cart complete the scene, creating the ultimate cozy outdoor destination for late-night entertaining. 4. Intimate gravel fire pit with stone wall seating. For those who prefer a more enclosed, cozy feeling, this garden is perfect. The ground is covered in fine pea gravel, offering excellent drainage and a soft texture underfoot. The fire pit itself is a simple rustic steel bowl. Crucially, the low layered stone retaining wall frames the space, adding seating height and a beautiful texture, making the fire pit area feel like a private, sunken courtyard surrounded by dense, lush, and layered perennial plantings. 5. Formal garden fire pit with boxwood hedge and brick accents. If your house has a more traditional or colonial aesthetic, take note. This fire pit area defines elegance and symmetry. A perfectly circular, low boxwood hedge creates a stunning green boundary. The ground cover of crushed reddish stone or mulch harmonizes beautifully with the nearby brick patio and the dark gray Adirondack chairs. The surrounding flowers add color, emphasizing the formal manicured beauty of this sophisticated design. 6. DIY octagonal gazebo fire pit with swinging benches. Talk about unique. This design features a bespoke wooden octagonal pergola structure that provides a sense of enclosure without blocking the sky. The clever addition of 4 swinging benches around the central stone fire pit introduces a playful element, making this space irresistible for families. Set on a simple, well-maintained lawn, this structure is a show-stopping focal point that offers shade by day and ambience by night. 7. Rustic flagstone fire pit with breathtaking waterfront views. Location, location, location. If you have a view, feature it. Here, the fire pit area is defined by large, irregular flagstones that flow naturally into the surrounding landscape. The fire pit itself is bordered by large, rough-cut boulders, lending a rugged, elemental feel. The simple wooden seating directs the gaze outward toward the stunning lake or ocean view, making the fire the immediate foreground to a panoramic backdrop. 8. Sleek modern fire bowl in a textured meadow landscape. Embrace the minimalist trend with this gorgeous contemporary design. The fire is contained in a smooth, large concrete or composite bowl, perfectly complementing the low-slung, cushioned wooden chairs. The ground is a uniform, durable gravel, but the magic is in the background. A path leads through naturalistic, textural plantings of tall grasses and perennials, all shaded by the canopy of mature trees, offering a zen, tranquil atmosphere. 9. Pollinator paradise fire pit with natural perennial borders. For the gardener who loves a natural look, this design is fantastic. The fire pit is set in a simple circle of light-colored gravel, surrounded by a generous, deep border of perennial flowers, herbs, and grasses. This cottage garden style attracts pollinators and provides a constantly changing, richly textured surround for the wooden Adirondack chairs, blending human comfort with ecological design beautifully. 10. Minimalist Corten fire bowl and rustic timber bench. This is high-end contemporary design. A low, wide Corten steel fire bowl, known for its deep industrial rust color, anchors the space. Seating is kept sparse and dramatic with a single massive, weathered timber log bench. The backdrop is a unique stacked wood wall, subtly illuminated to add texture, reinforcing the modern minimalist aesthetic where every single element makes a bold statement. From the rustic charm of stone walls to the sleek lines of modern concrete, these 10 ideas show that the backyard fire pit garden is an incredibly versatile feature. No matter the size or style of your outdoor space, there is a design waiting for you that combines the irresistible warmth of fire with the tranquility of a beautiful garden. The key takeaway is simple. Plan your seating, choose a non-flammable, decorative base, and surround it with the plants and lighting that speak to your personal style. Which one of these fire pit gardens is your absolute favorite? Let us know by dropping a comment below. If this video gave you the inspiration you needed to start your own backyard transformation, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Garden Decor Designs for more landscaping tips and garden ideas. Hit that notification bell so you never miss an upload. Happy gardening, and we'll see you in the next video.